Rishikesh, a place of spirituality, adventure, and serenity, and I found a perfect blend of all three at Oneness in Rishikesh. This luxury wellness retreat, nestled amidst lush greenery and overlooking the sacred Ganges, was the ideal escape from the chaos of everyday life. Over the next 2 days, I immersed myself in experiences that redefined relaxation and adventure, seamlessly flowing from one moment to the next. I landed in Rishikesh at 11 am and within an hour and a half I arrived at Oneness. To come to the property, you need to cross the Ganga river and there'll be a raft waiting for you that'll take you across. The moment I stepped in, I was greeted with a traditional welcome, fresh garland, a herbal welcome drink and a soft sandalwood tikka. Instantly, the fragrance of nature and the calming ambience made me feel at peace. The check-in process was seamless and I couldn't wait to explore. Hello and welcome to another episode of Talk and Staycation. इस एपिसोड में मैं एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी में आई हूँ एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस सीरीज़. इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट सीरीज़ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ आर अदर सीरीज़ दैट वी डू बिकॉज स्टेकेशंस आर माई फेवरेट. हु डजंट लव स्टेकेशंस, राइट? एंड हमारे इंडिया में इतनी अच्छे अच्छे प्रॉपर्टीज़ है. देयर आर लाइक ब्यूटीफुल बुटीक प्रॉपर्टीज़ in different states of our country that I love exploring them and showing them to you guys. It's summer, it's peak summers right now in India, and one of the best ways to still step out of your house but avoid the heat is by going for a staycation. You can go with your family, you can go as a couple, you can go with your friends, you can stay indoors and retreat at a beautiful property like the one that I am at. तो मैं आ गई हूँ इस प्रॉपर्टी में जिसका नाम है Oneness and ये बिल्कुल गंगा किनारे है. I'll show you a lot of this property in a while, but I've just checked in and जैसे आपने देखा, we came in that raft, we checked in and now I'm just at this gorgeous room of mine. It's a luxury cottage. They have 9 of these here and I'm staying at one of them. So feels really different, feels really nice. The minute you leave a city like Bombay and come into the mountains, hawa badal jati hai. Everything just feels so different, feels so nice. So I just checked in. Let me show you guys the room first, and then once you guys have seen the room, we're going to go and head out to their restaurant to have lunch. Stepping into my luxury villa, I felt an instant sense of calm. The interiors were earthy yet elegant with panoramic glass windows, bringing nature inside. My private balcony had breathtaking views of the property and all the nature around. By now my appetite had built up and I was eager to experience Her Highness, the resort's signature restaurant. The aroma of freshly prepared dishes filled the air as I sat down for a farm-to-table thali. A beautifully balanced spread of fresh vegetables, dal and handcrafted rotis that tasted like a warm hug. तो वो था फैमिली कॉटेज जिसमें मैं रुकी हूँ एंड आई एम गोना शो यू अनदर कॉटेज. यहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ सिंगल कॉटेज एज वेल फॉर कपल्स. इट कैन अकोमोडेट 2 people. So let me show you that one. Okay, so let's be honest. Here's one of the most important reasons why I love staycations, and that is actually being pampered. Every time I go for a staycation, I make sure that I don't have to make sure, actually the property that I'm staying at itself makes sure that I am very well taken care of, very well pampered, and that's what's going to happen now. So they have a foot massage or a head neck massage, depends on whatever you want to go for, that they do offer. And I'm going to be seated in this beautiful lawn setting of theirs, which is so intriguing, to go and get my massage done. So let's go.
With my energy restored, I sat by the property lawn and indulged in a foot massage, letting the gentle pressure melt away the last traces of travel fatigue. In the evening, I made my way to the Ganga Aarti, an experience that took this sense of serenity to another level. The magic of the evening didn't end here. Back at the resort, a special dining experience awaited me. Picture this: soft lanterns, a beautifully set table under the open sky, and a specially curated gourmet menu. The cool night breeze and the soothing sounds of nature made this dinner truly unforgettable.
Good morning. It's a new day out here in Rishikesh, and it's such a comforting place, I should tell you. The rooms actually, मुझे इतनी अच्छी नींद आई. I've woken up now. It's about 8 in the morning और मैं जा रही हूँ योगा और मेडिटेशन करने के लिए, but not just at any place, because I am by the Ganga. I'm at this beautiful location. I want to make the most of it. तो मैं जा रही हूँ गंगा किनारे टू डू टुडेज़ योगा. जो मेरे योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर है वो ऑलरेडी पहुँच चुके हैं. He's just setting up the mats and so on. So I'm just going to go and join him and start this morning on a rather calming, relaxing note.
I woke up to the sound of birds the next morning chirping and the soft rustling of leaves. A natural alarm clock that I wouldn't mind every day. The morning started with yoga and a meditation session right by the Ganga. Sitting by the river, feeling the cool breeze against my skin, I let go of all distractions. I was in that moment that I truly understood why Rishikesh is called the yoga capital of the world.
Alright, so it's been quite a morning here at Oneness. Just meditating by the Ganga, just the sound of the river, and nothing else. The sound of the birds, like you can hear even now. It was so serene, it was so peaceful. बट थोड़ा जैसे मैंने दिखाया उतर के जाना पड़ता है और उतरना इज़ ईजियर एज़ कम्पेयर टू द क्लाइम. वो जो चढ़ना है इट्स नॉट, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ 2-minute क्लाइम, बट स्टिल इट कैन गेट अ लिटिल एग्जॉस्टिंग इन द मॉर्निंग क्योंकि अब धूप आना स्टार्ट हो गया है. So the only thing that can revive you from the heat and from the exertion is food. And here they have this amazing breakfast spread ready for me. तो मैं अभी बैठ रही हूँ breakfast करने के लिए, and then we'll see how the rest of the day goes.
After a morning of mindfulness, it was time to nourish my body. Breakfast was a vibrant mix of seasonal fruits, fresh juices, and protein-packed dishes. Light yet fulfilling, just what I needed before carrying on with the rest of my day.
It's been a beautiful morning out here at Oneness, and because it's a staycation, and I believe in pampering myself completely, and you should too when you're on a staycation. क्योंकि हम जब घर पे होते हैं, we're stressed out, we're busy, we're doing our usual mundane, time नहीं मिलता. But when you're out in a place like this, especially a beautiful place like this, like Oneness here in Rishikesh, then I feel you should definitely pamper yourself. And मैं अभी जा रही हूँ एक spa के लिए. So here at Oneness Rishikesh, they have a spa area right here behind me. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they have a whole spa area with so many different therapies available. So I'm going to go pop in and check with the therapist and then get into a deep relaxing massage. Let's go.
Now at the resort, I treated myself to a spa session at Oneness Wellness Center. I opted for their signature Ayurvedic massage where warm herbal oils were used to ease tension and restore balance. It was an hour of pure bliss, leaving me feeling completely refreshed.
Alright, so I just got done with the spa, and what a relaxing massage it was. I had a lot of stiffness in my back and it's completely gone. It's like it's non-existent. Very, very relaxing massage. The masseuse here, she's amazing, just by the way. I had a head massage, I had a full body massage, and then I went for a steam. So it was a very, very relaxing, calming experience. I feel like मैं सो जाऊंगी अभी, but मुझे भूख भी बहुत लगी है. So I'm just gonna go take a shower quickly and then dress and go for lunch.
So as part of the activities that are offered at the property, I decided to go and do a planting out here at the property's garden itself. And of course, there are other free activities that you can do as well, like a beach volleyball, bonfire, a bird watching, jamming session, hiking, nature trek, mindful walking, tree climbing, tent pitching, and a lot more. So there's also an open deck that you can access. It's made out of wood, it looks so aesthetic, and the best part about it is that you can look right across the Ganga from here. I had my evening coffee here, sitting in calm and peace and just enjoying the beautiful views. So as I packed my bags, I took one last look at the view from my balcony. Oneness Rishikesh wasn't just a resort, it was an experience that stayed with me. Every moment here floats seamlessly into the next, creating a journey of adventure, relaxation, and self-discovery.